This review is for the book All About Particles by Naoko Chino. This small reference book covers over 70 different Japanese particles. In case you don't know, particles are, I can't think of a simple definition. So here's a list of Japanese particles up on the screen. The way I understand it, particles are the framework parts of sentences that are not nouns, not verbs, not adverbs, and not adjectives. Some example of Japanese particles are wa, ga, to, yo, kara, and keredomo. I originally bought this book so I could understand why some Japanese sentences mark the nouns with wa versus ga. Over the years, I have found this book a great reference when studying Japanese. There have been several occasions when I was completely confused by a new Japanese language sentence structure, and this book really helped me to figure it out. Keep in mind that this is a reference book, like a dictionary. It's not really something you're going to read cover to cover, although I suppose you could. If you are learning new sentence structure and don't understand how or why they are using certain particles, this book will provide a good explanation for you to understand. Each section in the book is dedicated to a single particle. Then there are a series of numbered examples under each heading that describes the different ways the particle is used. Next, it provides example sentences that are written in both the Hepburn English characters as well as the Japanese characters. As you can see, my version of this book is the older edition, so that's why it looks different from the one you can find that they're currently selling on Amazon.com. However, before writing this review, I used the Amazon Look Inside feature to confirm that this is the same book. I like this book and I can recommend it. However, I'm not sure if you need to buy it. When I bought this book, the internet was still young and there were not a lot of Japanese learning resources available online. However, these days, there are many websites that discuss Japanese particles, so you can probably just use a Google search to help understand particles. On the other hand, if you like to study Japanese in a place without the internet, then you might want to get a copy of this book. Thanks for listening.